PowerDecode can be easily employed to get some important information about PowerShell malware. In this video we are going to reanalyze a fileless script shown on this article. Here the malware analysis has been performed manually, through several steps. Depending on the case, manually analyzing a script may require time and skill. Now we'll take the sample PowerShell code and analyze it with PowerDecode. The results are available. We can see that the first obfuscation layer is base 64 encoding. The second obfuscation layer is compressed encoding. And finally at the third layer we can see the PowerShell instructions in clear text. An additional degree of obfuscation is due to instructions encoded in machine language. These instructions, also called shellcode, have been detected by PowerDecode and represented in assembly language. In the results of the dynamic analysis of the shellcode, it is possible to see the actions performed, in particular the connection established by it. The latter result can be obtained thanks to the integration with the SCDBG tool. All results are exported to a report file. Thanks for watching.